Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
And I'm Rohan Joshi.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No edits.
I was seeing this reel about this Akon. I think Akon just performed in Mumbai only.
Yeah.
Nesco.
He's performed all over India and he's had different experiences. In Bangalore, people pulled his pants down, dude.
The good, the bad, and the ugly. He has had all.
So Akon has not had a good week in general.
Yes, he was
He got
arrested.
arrested
Where?
in Georgia.
Yeah.
Okay.
He got arrested.
The
If I'm not
country or the
mistaken-
state in US.
Sure.
Was it in...
Sure.
Was
Because
it
if it was the country, then we have to ask ourselves what Akon is doing in Georgia at this point.
was it in Tbilisi or whatever that city is?
It's one of those places that's fun to say, you know, like Djibouti.
Yeah, Djibouti. I like Djibouti. All right.
But yeah, so he got arrested in Georgia. Then he came here. Then
And he had
Bangalore
worse
people
experience.
pulled down his pants.
Yeah.
He went from culprit to plaintiff in
I
just
mean, you can't
3
even blame
days.
lip syncing at this point, right? You can see he's clearly lip syncing
Yeah.
because he's like,
But to be fair, he was singing "I Want to Make Love" right now. And they're like, I guess
Not so lonely now.
that's what we do first. Can't make love with your pants on.
And then he came to Mumbai and he was in some
In a
like this
ball.
time he was just in some zorbing ball. And he's
Yeah.
like, try it now.
It was like
and then the crowd was just shoving him around the place. And there was just Akon's not had a great week.
So the reel was the general admission people are in at the back. There's a
Yeah.
guy who's in general,
Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah.
With others, they loved it. You'll see
Yeah.
two kinds of reels,
Yeah.
and you can tell which zone they were
Yeah.
in.
Correct.
And there's like a whole like the parted sea between general admission and the whatever's VIP. What's it called? VIP.
Gold, silver,
So
all
now
those
there's
things.
all these things. Like there's always there's the fan pit.
Fan
Yeah.
pit.
And then there's VIP.
Yes.
And then there's GA.
Yes.
Yeah.
So there's a big gap, and then of course in the middle, because it's
Yeah.
some scaffolding has been
Yeah,
put.
the light towers and the cameras and all of that.
So
are
you have
there.
to see Akon through the scaffolding to make it feel
So
like.
when you buy a general admission ticket, you're buying a ticket to watch the BTS.
Yeah. It's like you're seeing behind the curtains, which we know you
Exactly.
didn't want to. And then the later during the concert they opened the fan pit to the gold people, and
Yes.
so the fan pit people paid 10K
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
more, and these people who paid half of that are now
Yeah, in the fan
in the
pit.
same thing,
Yeah.
which is just.
in the bed. That's where the ball is, the ball pit.
I mean, the ball is how it depends how far you push Akon.
Yeah, exactly.
He's not.
I wouldn't be surprised if someone just took it home.
It'd be funny if they push him and he falls in that empty section between the two. Akon's just lying there and there's no one. The scaffolding guy has to come down. And pick him
The gold guys are now in the fan pit. The fan pit guys are on stage.
You have to recycle the Akon ball because it's out of
Or
circulation.
he's living in someone's house like in a snow globe. Like now, some guys took him home.
Akon's life is like have you seen his house? There was like a video on YouTube of his
Yes.
house. There's like sharks or something.
Yeah,
below
something
his
crazy.
bedroom.
And then he
He's a
was trying
scammy
to
guy.
sort of start his own currency or something
City.
like.
he has an
Akon City.
island. He has an
Akon
island,
land.
right?
No, in Africa, he wanted to develop a city on his
And I
own.
think he started his own crypto or some sort of coin.
I
And if
mean-
I'm not mistaken, it was called Acoin. Okay,
Well, you
I
must.
think I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it was called
If it
Acoin.
wasn't, it should have
Comments
been.
will fact check us
Yeah.
on this one way or another. But this is the thing that happened.
Wow,
So
dude.
basically, between Chamak Challo and now, there
Yeah.
has been this wild ride. he has been on.
Unbelievable.
Do you guys remember the famous time when Akon performed in Delhi, back when Samak Challo proposed to win?
Sure.
So he jumps into the crowd, and Delhi crowd, dude.
Yeah, no ball.
Dude, they go around, they tear his t-shirt, they take his gold chain, his gold watch.
Well, I think Akon
Akon
mistook Bombay for Delhi, and he
Yeah,
was
I
like,
think
I
so.
remember they stole my chain last
So I'm
time.
just gonna
in a ball, force field, like a Star
do
Wars.
this show in bubble
next,
wrap.
next Mumbai concert, one guy has a needle with him to poke the ball and get Akon out. Like, ab kya karega Akon?
Like, Akon goes home one kidney. Like,
Dude, they're doing a search for every person entering the concert for a needle because like
no, they're
someone's
also
gonna...
doing research of everyone leaving the concert to collect all of Akon's personal belongings and give them.
It's like a forced meet and greet. You didn't even pay for it.
Meet and greet happens at Lost and Found.
Lost and found. Meet and greet passes, lost and found passes. I remember Akon when he performed at the end of the IPL, the one which happened in South Africa for the first time.
Yeah.
And it was clear that he's just been in a plane doing drugs and
Yeah.
he's landed and they've not told him everything properly. So he's
They
like,
had-
what's happening, India? And he's in Johannesburg. It says
Yeah, why not?
Johannesburg over
Yeah.
there. And you can see behind him Johannesburg is written.
Yeah,
And he's like, India, let's make some noise. And then he was getting a little flirty with Katrina Kaif on the video. That time she was with Bhai.
Oh,
And
no.
it
Oh,
was-
damn.
Yeah.
Oh,
and-
damn.
Wrong move, Akon.
Damn. Convict versus convict.
Dude, now Bhai needs to be in a ball and that needs to be bulletproof ideally.
Matter of time though, if I see Bhai in a ball down Carter Road.
Yeah, cycling.
Yeah,
Cycling. Cycling zorbing down Carter Road.
He's producing some kind of electricity by doing that.
But was he?
Like one of those Tesla coins.
Yeah.
But was Akon in the ball the whole concert?
I don't
No.
know.
One second. 1 second. He's not a bubble boy.
Yeah.
Okay? Like, he's a human being.
I feel like people would ask
Okay, he
for
was on
refunds.
stage and they were like, come here. And he was like,
And he's like, hang
"What's
on."
let me get into my Batmobile.
Yeah, what was happening when he was getting in the bubble? Like
Yeah,
there
which
would
song
be,
was going on?
Yeah, there couldn't be dead air that time. People just watching Akon getting into a bubble. One guy blowing up the bubble.
Would be hilarious though if there was just dead air, right? You could just
Yeah.
hear all the sound of the ball being zipped up.
Akon seems to be, I mean, maybe I'm wrong. He might be still very huge in general, but he's like Michael Learns to Rock, you know the band?
Oh, of course I know Michael
Learns to Rock is from Denmark, I think.
Yeah,
but
yeah,
they're
yeah.
only big in India, I think.
Yeah,
now.
Yeah.
full on.
They
full
keep
on.
coming back for a
Yeah,
cash
they're in
grab.
Shillong every 2 months.
Yeah. They do
Shillong
cash grab
every
and
2
leave.
months.
Even Brian Adams also does that.
No, Brian Adams is here every year.
Yeah.
Okay?
Dude,
Brian
Yeah.
Adams
Since
is at this point a
69, he's
citizen.
been there every year.
Brian Adams is a citizen at this
Yeah.
point. Like Brian Adams every year comes to India and
Yeah.
realizes he can add one more venue.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
Okay, like
And
he's
always
like
he-
Goa bhi karega main.
Brian Adams is filling fast the moment he puts the tickets
And
up.
he always says, this is the last time, guys. And that
Yeah.
he doesn't know. He's like, this could
He's
be the
like,
last
"It's the
time.
last time this year.
Yeah.
I will be here.
Dude, I remember back when he came for the first time, or maybe the second time, I don't know. When MTV was still big.
Yeah.
And this VJ was interviewing him, and she was like, so what's important? She was doing rapid fire. So what is the significance of the year 1969? And he's like, it's not about the year. And then she really didn't get it. She's like, what is it about? And he's like, it's about the sexual position. And then they like cut cameras
cut,
right
cut,
away.
right
like
there.
MTV,
That's
that's
it.
as far as we can go.
So what do you want to eat in Bangalore? Once
Top 69 things you want to eat.
it's just a quick switch of questions.
How's your family?
Yeah. How was Princess Diana when you dated her?
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah.
What?
So allegedly he had an affair with Princess Diana.
affair, okay.
I mean, you have to say these things.
Yeah. R.I.P.
Allegedly.
first of all.
Okay.
But what allegedly also
Allegedly, he had an affair with Princess Diana. This is
Yeah.
wild.
Yeah.
Okay.
when she was
Yeah,
princess.
I figure when she was,
Yeah, not at 17.
I thought it
Before
was when
Charles.
she was alive.
Yeah, I was going to say that, and that's wrong. And then what he said was also wrong. In the Goldilocks zone, like the
Okay.
right time.
Yeah.
And there was a tribute Diana Memorial concert 10
Right.
years or something after her death. And Brian Adams wanted to be on the lineup. And Prince William said, are you crazy, dude? You had an affair with my mom. You can't
You
sing
can't,
in this.
yeah.
This is the rumor.
Elton
that-
John's concert. That concert?
That was Elton John.
No, that was like right
During-
after she
right,
passed.
next
He
day.
did that
Yeah, he just-
Candle in the
Suspicious.
Wind.
How did he have a song ready
That was
already?
for
right?
Marilyn
Yeah,
Monroe.
it was for
right?
Marilyn Monroe, dude.
Oh,
Like,
yeah?
yeah,
He
yeah.
changed
He
it.
originally wrote
was-
it, yeah.
Yeah, he changed it was Goodbye Norma Jean, which is Marilyn Monroe's
Yeah, yeah,
real
yeah.
name. He changed that to Goodbye
He
England
literally did the
Rose.
opposite of what we do with the Happy Birthday song, right?
Yeah.
We just switch names
Elton
out.
John is
Happy Death Day.
Yeah, essentially, right? Happy Birthday is
He
when
could
you
have
think
just said
about it.
Happy Death Day to
Yeah,
you.
he just did that.
He's basically Pritam, but he steals his own song.
Yeah.
Oh man, we've slagged off Akon and Elton John pretty early. in
And
this.
Brian Adams for a bit.
Brian Adams.
But it's all right. He'll be back next year
Yeah.
either way.
He'll tell sorry to in person.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, that
Any
guy-
one of his 17 shows.
That guy wrote a lot of romantic songs. I have to give it to Brian Adams. Like, there's no end
Dude,
to the romance in this
we're
guy.
like what? We're roughly the same age.
Yeah.
So you remember like when this Robin Hood movie came out,
Yeah.
right? And there was that Everything I Do,
Yeah.
Everything
I
I
do
Do.
it for you, all right?
Oh, man.
Like there is, I think, like an entire generation. There's a 2-year stretch of people
Yeah.
that solely lost their virginity
Yes.
to
To
that
that
song.
song.
Dude, that
Yes.
song was like number one for like a year or something. like that.
It's
okay?
too long a song to lose.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's over in the first. Yeah,
Exactly,
whatever.
exactly.
First verse.
In the first verse, it's
After that, it's just sad hugging. man.
everything I do
I
sadly
cry
now.
for you. I'll die for you. But can you like do last 6 minutes for me? No, cannot.
Immediate switch to Summer of '69.
Also, if you go back and look up the lyrics of that song, any Bryan Adams song,
Yes.
you can tell the guy who's this romantic. That's just the other side of the coin of like a Kabir Singh character. Like that's
Yeah,
the
yeah,
guy
yeah.
who, when it goes bad,
Yeah, he's there,
gonna,
yeah.
100%,
it's gonna be
yeah.
really bad.
Oh, 100%. Brown paper bag, royal stag is happening straight away. This guy's not taking it well. One Khamba
Obsessive.
royal stag.
Yeah.
Full on.
Obsessive Heathcliff type character.
Oh, full on. You know he's like showing up in like a Santro with a cap turned backwards,
That's
driving
right.
way too fast.
Smoking 3 cigarettes.
Yeah, smoking 3 cigarettes.
Dude, Kabir Singh is a
Never
hilarious
trust
film.
grills.
But you have watched Kabir Singh?
I watched parts of it.
Reels.
Okay.
No, like it was
Okay.
on in my friend's house when I was staying there, and I watched a bit. It was hilarious. If you just start from somewhere in the middle, it's just like
It's unchecked anger. We don't know why he's so
it's
angry,
incredible anger, and you're
Yeah.
like, what the
And
what's
you're like, okay, I'll just go with this.
yeah. And my favorite thing about these genres of films is the best friend character.
Of course.
Which human is ready to give up their life for their friend
Yeah.
to this extent?
Yeah.
Who's a wingman to a fault like this? Like, no, I want him to get laid.
Yeah,
Whatever
yeah.
happens.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Gautam's just learning something here right now.
What the hell?
Hey, man. There was genuine pain on his face for a second. You didn't see it. A shadow crossed his face.
like he's like, if Kabir Singh's car fails while he's trying to reach the girl, his friend will carry him on his back.
Oh.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
he
yeah.
gets
Like
to the
full on.
girl and he'll die on the way.
Ah, but that
And
doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Hero ka
Bye,
friend
got
doesn't
laid.
give a hero ka friend's life has no value.
It's so
Yeah,
sad.
Like, no value. Like, you thought life in this country was cheap and cheap.
Yeah.
Hero ka friend's
Even
value
lower.
is even lower than
we
that.
need a movie from the best friend's perspective, you know?
Oh,
Like-
dude, they're like basically like a red shirt. Like it's just this
Yeah.
collection of best friends. It's essentially a horror movie, alright? Where you see who gets picked off first.
Yeah.
Based on the risky behavior of the protagonist.
The protagonist is always just in the edge of the frame in this movie. All the time.
Yeah. You can just see his shoulder. You can see his hand covering his face. Man.
Oh, man. But you were saying I was on the flight on the ground for 2 hours.
Yeah,
last week.
same. I also got into the flight
Yeah?
for 2 hours. Yeah.
Dude, don't you feel like once you're on board,
We have to leave.
there has to be a time for which they can keep you on the plane before
agree.
which they
Yeah,
can let you get
I
you
agree.
off?
After which I feel like there's essentially a point after which like hijacking is no longer a crime but your
Yeah.
patriotic duty.
On land, yeah,
It's like,
yeah.
on land right
It's
there.
like we are refueling in a foreign country.
Yeah, and
Like-
our demands are very decent. Let me out. is my demand.
Yeah, literally, that's it.
Yeah.
All our demands are
Yeah.
is,
You keep the
don't
money.
want to
You
be
keep
here
the money
anymore.
we gave
The
you.
prisoners we want released are us. It's not someone else.
That's it.
Not someone in Yerawada jail. It's
No, nobody. No. We are not separatists. We just want to go home.
Please, can we go and wait in the airport for a bit and then come back
that
in?
building over there.
Yeah.
Like, dude, so this is a thing that like trains do really well, traffic jams and this thing do really well. We've all experienced this, right? Where
Yeah.
you're somewhere stuck randomly. And this thing that happens where you start bonding with other passengers, right? Because now you have this common cause
Yeah.
of hatred towards the
Yes.
crew.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right? And then, but on a train, in a car, this thing happens where then people gather outside,
Yeah.
one smoking session happens.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can stand up and you can one
Haan,
stretches
yeah,
there.
you stand up, you
Correct.
stretch, you do little like,
Yeah.
you discuss like bigotry and all
Yeah,
of that
yeah.
stuff
Yeah.
you do.
Casual topics, yeah.
Give us these options.
Yeah,
right?
you
You
can
can
even
also let us stand downstairs.
Yeah.
You can sit with your with people you just met because the chairs are. It's like a ambassador front seat. How many ever people you
Yeah.
want
Yeah,
can
yeah,
sit
yeah,
next
yeah.
to each other.
Yeah.
This happened to me. I was on an Akasa flight, all right? And
Oh.
this is, it was great. It was
Big
an Akasa,
mistake.
just outstanding experience, okay?
Yeah.
And this was Calcutta Airport.
Yes.
And they board us at like some 7:45 p.m. And at 8:45, 9, they're like, we've not taken off. So now that thing is happening where people are like, sir, what is happening?
Yeah.
What are you doing? And like politeness is starting to fray and all.
Yeah.
Then the captain comes on the radio and he's like, hey, listen, there was some paperwork to be done, but the guy who's supposed to sign the paperwork has gone home. This is an actual thing he said. Okay?
He said this on-
He said this on the radio. Like the guy was
He's
supposed
too
to
honest,
sign
this
the
guy.
paperwork has gone home.
This is
Damn.
in Indigo.
So
is
we are
operational
bringing him back.
difficulties.
Okay, at which point now the crowd is like, how can you keep us like this? How dare you? And then that coalition of uncles
Yes.
forms, no,
Yes.
immediately.
Yeah.
The,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
how dare
The
you
Axis
uncles.
powers, yeah.
one RW.
I have rights.
Yeah,
Those uncles
Yeah.
come up
Yeah.
and they're like, you cannot keep us like this. Then it becomes to, you have not given us water also.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, when RWA has formed on the
Yeah.
plane.
Full RWA
Yeah,
forms,
yeah,
okay? And then now RWA, and then obviously there's the counterfaction also,
Yeah.
where one lady stands up and she's like, no, see, it's
Yeah.
not their fault.
Yes.
We have to be nice to them.
Yeah.
Don't be
Yeah.
like this. Then she brings her father into it, okay?
Yeah.
But she's like, see, my father, he's 95 years old.
Yeah.
He's sitting so patiently.
Yeah.
Why you can't sit? To which this uncle drops the single greatest line I've ever heard, okay? He's like, madam, your father is great man. I'm not great man. How do you respond?
That's
Like,
a
I'm a shit
checkmate.
person.
That's a checkmate.
Yeah.
You can't do
I don't
anything.
give a shit.
Bad that argument.
How do you reply
I'm
to
a
that?
bad person. Say what you want.
Yeah, if that guy who peed on the Air India flight
Yeah.
also used that
Yeah.
logic, you couldn't have said
Yeah.
anything.
No,
Bad
but
person.
this is the same logic I got hit with because in airports I have this thing where if in the baggage thing, if someone cuts in between and puts their tray inside, I get like all like strict sense police. I get
100%.
right. So in Chennai airport, I was doing that. I was following a line and all this thing. One guy came in between. I was like, sir, this is not the way. And this guy's like, oh, you are so good. You're so good, right? And I was like, yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
He was like, we'll give you medal. We'll give you medal. And I was like, yeah, give.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll give Independence Day. Independence Day. I was like, Independence Day is over.
Independence
Republic
Day.
Day. He's like, okay, Republic Day. No point in this fight.
but,
We
but you have to
both-
have it. It's
Yeah.
essentially you're just bloodletting now.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. You're just like draining the
Absolutely.
wound now.
Yeah, and just the worst improv game of all time.
Always.
The
So these guys,
security
these
check.
guys were doing the same thing, and this now became a passive-aggressive battle between crew and passengers.
Yeah.
Because now you're like, you have to give us water, you have to give us this thing. So they said, okay. Then they sent someone to get snacks. Now, in the middle of this, that guy has come back from home and he has signed the papers. So now the flight is ready to go.
Oh, snacks.
Now the captain is like, see, we are ready to go, but since you all asked for snacks, snacks are coming. Sit here and eat your snacks. We are not going.
Nice.
Till these snacks come. Like this horrendous game I'm now stuck in.
Oh my God. No, it's too overweight because there's too much snacks on it.
Yeah, now eat your goddamn snacks.
No, Indigo does that really well. Anything wrong, they'll just put some nuts in your mouth. They'll be like, fucking take it.
Okay. Wait.
That's like-
Oddly specific.
Wait a second. I remember that's only for me. No, never mind. But no, they give that whole that.
What were you doing on Epstein Island?
Yeah, that's the Epstein.
Indigo flies.
The Epstein
to
angle.
Epstein Island.
Anyone's questioning you, silence the speakers, put some nuts in them.
Yeah. That's a late, always. Even this time also it was late. They quickly. Here, eat it.
Like,
eat this and drink this juice.
And now you can tell that they've gotten so used to picking up, especially Indigo.
Is
that they now
deal with
have
it like pros.
Dude, they
Sorry
have a
boxes.
series of sorry boxes.
Yeah.
They have a series of sorry boxes ready to
Yeah.
go on the ground. They know
Yeah.
that their flight will be delayed so much. These little pink bags are ready.
Yeah, ready.
Like they just hand them out.
Yeah.
Like this happened yesterday after my flight got delayed. You know you're f***ing up a lot when you
Yeah.
essentially have a branded protocol ready to go.
Yeah.
For every time.
This is like the
you
air
fuck up.
purifier thing again. It's
Yeah.
like now this is the new normal.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
just
it's
have
just
air
there.
purifiers.
Like,
Dude, I had a thing where someone who had boarded. We are ready. We are completely boarded, and then one person was unwell and had to get off. So they got off. But then when someone gets off the flight, they have to check all bags.
Yes.
And make sure you identify it because maybe they
Yes.
left a thing on there. Which
Yeah,
is gonna,
yeah.
And so now we are all just like someone who's fallen asleep.
Yeah.
They're like, sir, is this your bag? Sir?
Yeah.
And then we are like, hey, wake up.
They're
dude.
like, yeah.
Is it your bag or no?
Yeah, or you
Just
also
say
go.
it's your bag. Say it's your bag.
Yeah, even if it's not.
Yeah, even if it's the bomb, say it's yours.
Yeah, your bomb. We have
I
to
want
go.
to take off right now.
Like, yeah, I'll deal with that crisis.
Yeah, it's more
In the
embarrassing if we blow up on the runway. At least in air.
Exactly.
At least en route, I
like-
want to
Yeah.
die.
It's like, damn, that's a sad one.
Yeah, seriously. So,
Does that even count as an air accident?
yeah, I feel like you get less news coverage if it was on the runway.
Yeah.
100%,
If it
way
was-
less. Then
Yeah.
they'd just be like,
Yeah.
These people just exploded with rage.
Yeah.
That's all that happened.
Yeah, the plane wasn't doing what it's meant to do when it ended.
Yeah. My sorry box is all. That's like yesterday when I was getting on the flight, before it got delayed, they brought the sorry box.
They were ready.
There
I
you
should have
go.
gotten it then.
It's a pre-approved sorry
I
box.
should have
yeah.
gotten it then where like
Yes.
this is going to get delayed. But I was like, oh, I mean, they just like us
Yeah,
probably.
yeah,
Go
yeah.
inside, they were
Yeah,
like
yeah,
delayed
yeah,
by
yeah.
1 hour.
You know, the other thing they do is they say, the captain says on time departure when they disconnect the aero bridge.
Yes.
So they have
Yes.
departed. And then they're like due to delays and
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
Now
Yeah,
1
yeah,
hour you're
yeah.
going to sit there. How can you say we've departed?
Yeah.
I'm still here on the ground.
That whole thing of timing that's a huge scam. Like Indigo, they've
Standard
got
time.
Bangalore to Mumbai in 10 hours it takes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Right,
come
that's
on.
it. You just call it a 10-hour flight.
Under
And then you
promise,
reach
over
any time
deliver.
in those 10
Yeah.
hours, you're like, hey, man.
Wow, look at us, right?
Yeah, wow.
We will make up the time. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Suddenly one tailwind comes from somewhere.
Why not?
We got a slipstream from a
There's another Indigo flight behind and a pilot.
Yeah, he's got his leg out like this.
If you look out of your window on the left, you will see Captain
It's
so and
so
so.
That whole, and that's what it's most of these flights also when they say delayed, they won't even put it up on this one because that's like shame for them,
Shame.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
They'll come and they'll tell it in your ear. They'll be like, hey,
Yeah.
don't tell
Yeah.
it. Like,
Yeah.
come on.
It's like when you're negotiating a deal, you sometimes don't want to send it in writing.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
want to
you
call
call.
the military. Hey,
No, or you do that power move of they just write down delayed on a tissue and
Yeah, and one
Power
sorry
move.
box.
power move right there.
Some nuts along with a delayed nut.
Yeah.
Because have you ever seen a SpiceJet riot? I've seen so many SpiceJet riots, dude. Yeah, have you ever seen a
Spice Girl
SpiceJet
riot,
riot,
I've
dude?
seen.
It's like a
SpiceJet riots are
phenomenon.
like a regular occurrence, okay? What's
that?
Where it's these two beleaguered-looking SpiceJet staff and just one entire like angry plane load of people
Yeah.
who were like probably supposed to be in Delhi day before. Okay,
Yeah,
now
yeah.
they're just around the counter.
Yeah.
And they're like, worst airline.
Yeah, yeah.
Number one, worst.
Yeah.
I will file case. And then one more uncle will be like, I will join you. I will join you. And then suddenly there's this full crowd. And then it becomes literally, I've seen on 4 separate occasions, chance of SpiceJet high.
Oh, God.
Really break out in the
flight.
terminal. Yeah, at the gate. SpiceJet
God.
high.
That's
then
a lot
like-
of pressure on the pilot after that to fly.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
You kind of want to with the like you want to
SpiceJet what, guys?
Yeah. Where's the biggest cloud? Let me fly through that. Let's go near a bird for a
Yeah,
second.
they're like, hey guys, you can remove your seatbelt.
Dude, I was once this is true, in a SpiceJet flight where they ran out of chai. They ran out of tea.
Which is like in India, like the
Yeah,
worst
how can
crime
you do
can
that?
commit. Yeah.
That's a
And
problem. That's a
it
crisis.
was one of the old planes. Literally, the insides looked like it was dipped in tea. The plane looked
Yeah.
like it was
I get
tea.
it. Air India, Air India.
It's one of those
Yeah, yeah.
planes that looks like a smoking room.
Yeah, it looks like I'm in Mexico in a Breaking Bad episode.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
that sepia
Sepia
filter.
tone.
Yep.
Yeah.
I gotta play some mariachi music in there.
I was once on a SpiceJet flight when they were at their absolute lowest, and people thought they were going to go under. They were
That's
at
the
that brief
runway,
period.
right? You mean? Oh, sorry. Okay. Hopefully the lowest.
Well, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
When basically people thought they were going to go under, and no one was flying SpiceJet, and I was flying from Delhi to Mumbai, and it was the cheapest ticket, so I booked it, and I got to the airport, and there's no SpiceJet counters. Okay, so I'm like. And I find there's one counter somewhere in a corner. I go there, I go to the counter, and behind me, there's one other guy in line. One. And I present my ticket, and she's like, is this the Delhi to Bombay? And he's like, yeah, me also. And she's like, okay, you guys are the only 2 passengers.
Wow.
You are the only 2 passengers
God.
on this plane. I'm going to be real with you and say, if this plane didn't have to be in Bombay tomorrow morning, we would not be flying.
Oh, damn.
Okay, she's like, you are the literally
Oh, you
only
flew
2
private,
people.
yeah.
Essentially. She's like, so your seat numbers are irrelevant because each of you has to sit at an
It says
emergency
irrelevant.
exit. She's like, the law is
It's
each
funny
of you
if
has to
you
sit.
two are in 2 different zones.
Yeah.
Zone 1 board.
And
Irrelevant
it says
A
so
and
much
irrelevant F.
about the guy behind me. He was one of those, like, you know, sometimes Indians will just have like the most, like we've seen so much that we will just have the greatest response possible. So
Yeah.
he's standing behind me and he hears, he's like, acha, sirf hum dono hai. He looks at me and he's like, bat ball kharide. He's later. And I'm like, we absolutely should.
That's the best story ever.
What a great story. What did you do?
Playing cricket 37,000
Yeah,
feet
yeah,
in the
yeah,
air.
come on.
crazy.
No one's doing like
Yeah.
on Earth. No one did that year.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
like what amazing fights you can have if you get out. No,
Yeah.
he banked. That doesn't count. It's not LBW.
It's just
he banked.
turbulent.
It's funny they're like, there's just the two of you on this flight. Can you fly a plane? Because then they'll cut the captains.
Yeah, they can also
They'll,
go away.
Yeah,
save
no.
some salary. You guys fly it yourselves.
Yeah, exactly. Like, here's the keys.
Yeah. Serve yourself.
Enjoy.
Man, one counter was by that was, it would have been hilarious if they'd start selling cigarettes also on that counter, like just to make money. Like chewing gum, cigarettes, an impulse counter, supermarket impulse counter they put over there.
A pilot just comes with one of those things on it.
400 rupees ka miles.
Like Manik Chand and Gudang Garam hanging off it.
Oh man! And then there's the time where the pilot himself wants to smoke.
Yeah, so he's like,
they
hey, one
put
of
that
you go sit in the cockpit.
They put that barrier in the front of the cockpit so you don't go there. The pilot is just standing and smoking.
It says so much about how stressful flying has become
Yeah.
that nowadays, like, have you noticed on the cockpit door, they have those stickers put up that say, leave your worries
Oh.
at this point. Yeah. So on some of the
It's for the pilot,
For
right?
the pilot, yeah. So you're walking into the
Oh.
cockpit.
I've seen this, you're
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
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 yeah.
Where like they remind the pilot, they're like, hey, listen, whatever you're dealing with,
Yeah.
you leave it outside this door,
Oh,
okay?
man.
Like, such a fly.
What if
We
you know
get
that
it.
your wife
We
is
know.
not
We
fucking
also
you?
know we are
Yeah.
4 hours late.
Yeah.
Just
The tone is very complex.
Calm yourself. Yeah, yeah. You know?
What if, as a passenger, I'm worried and I want to leave my worries? Can I be like, hey,
Hey,
Boy, someone's trying to hijack, right?
Yeah,
They're trying to
yeah.
open, leave it. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You know what? Never mind.
Is this the rage room?
yeah, he's ready to hijack, but
Yeah.
then he enters that room and he's like,
Right.
Like, okay, you know what?
Wow.
Outside I was a hijacker. Now I'm calm.
he serves one sandwich to the pilot.
It works.
It's
All
but-
I really needed was a chicken jungly sandwich.
Oh man, if
No,
that
but
could
the thing
solve
is that
something.
India air travel has still not become as like we haven't gotten the Ryanair of
it's not as
India.
Oh, yeah, no, no, no.
mundane as
Yeah.
No,
it
no,
is
not
there.
that ST bus level that they
yeah,
have
not
in like
really-
Europe
that,
and America.
That will come here
Yeah,
also.
yeah, it will. I mean,
Dude, the
soon.
American flying experience is far and away the single worst.
It's so bad.
Yeah, yeah.
They could not give half
horrible.
whether you live or die or
Yeah.
whatever. It is
And
awful.
It's visually the whole way, the airport to the flight, everything is like boring and grey.
Awful,
And
awful.
nothing to look at.
I feel like you get a sense of what life would be like within an American prison. Like every time you go to
Yeah.
an American airport,
Yeah.
you get a sense of
Guantanamo International Airport.
yeah.
Okay.
yeah, you want to drink water, they put a
Waterboarding.
cloth on your face and
It's
then
like,
go
oh wow, rights and all.
through the nose you drink.
It's cold wipes.
I think it's a matter of time, right? Like, I feel like that race to the bottom will happen. Where
Yeah.
someone will just be like, listen, stand and hold handles.
Yeah, yeah. That Ryanair guy was also talking about that. He was like, man, if we can get standing seats, we can give like 10 people, we can get $1 tickets. We can give you guys.
But what
standing.
about when there's turbulence?
I mean,
They just hold on.
Bus is not turbulent for you.
But when they put the turbulence
But you
thing on-
know, like the thing with the bus is it's
It goes
on the
like
road.
this. It doesn't
It's
Yeah.
on the road. Okay.
yeah, the net displacement is not as much.
But also, there's if you're standing, right? There's a very small difference between turbulence and flash mob. Okay, because that
enough.
coordinated hop will be
yeah,
quite
yeah.
something.
which happens on the bus sometimes.
Yeah,
on the way to
exactly.
the plane.
Yeah.
You know what I love on the bus is the guy who wants to show you that he's a regular flyer, so he doesn't hold anything. He just stands with his legs.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
legs fast.
it's
And
all
he's
like
still-
I have an inner gyro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like the bus driver senses that guy is on the bus. Then he
Yes.
stops and he does a false stop. Then
Yeah,
he
yeah,
again
yeah.
moves
Yes.
and that guy falls a bit and we're all like, thanks for doing that.
100%. Yesterday on my shuttle bus, there was a guy who was so done with this 4-hour flight delay that I'm not even making this up, all right? He was just watching pornography.
What?
Yeah, just straight up. He was just watching thirsty ass videos the whole
Oh
time.
my God.
He didn't give a shit that he was in
Earphones?
public.
No earphones.
He didn't know. Earphones were
Ah.
on, but he's just like, listen, man, it's 2 a.m. somewhere.
That's like the
This is
most
my time.
I am thirsty.
the most
Right.
crowded
Oh,
environment,
nice.
crowded environment to watch porn.
And he's
ever.
like, I don't care. I don't
Oh,
care.
dude.
It's my time. And it was just this parade of thirst.
Wow. Man, for me on Instagram, I have to like once in a while they try testing me with some thirst. I have to put like not interested. Like they 2-3 reels later they'll be like some
Yeah.
thirsty reels
Yeah,
they'll put
yeah.
they're like do you like that?
Yeah,
They're
do you
like,
remember?
Not
your-
here, not in the workplace.
Not in the workplace.
Right now, I'm in
yeah.
Yeah.
Send this to me at home Instagram.
I've really like I've fixed my algorithm.
I reset it every 3 months because that's
Oh,
the
you
only
do
way to
that?
go. You can do that. You can
Yeah.
reset your algorithm, and that's the only way to go because it doesn't matter what you follow.
Yeah.
Eventually, Instagram will be like, yes, but have you tried?
Yeah. It always,
It doesn't matter what you follow.
That is
That's like it
primal.
goes back.
That is
Yeah.
from
100, you can go and you can
180
just
from
follow
one-
like cars and you can go
Yes.
forward, forward, but like
That's
What
like
about
the-
cars and boobs?
exactly.
That's like the meat and potatoes of Instagram. Like you have to
really.
go back to.
Yeah, any genre you like and boobs.
Yeah.
It's always.
And like
But honestly, the reels, the funny reels I'm getting now, I'm worried at how good they are. Like I laugh
yeah.
out loud.
Oh,
in
same.
every reel I'm getting nowadays.
Same.
I'm like I'll never write something as funny
Yeah.
as this reel. right
exactly.
here.
I will never be able to pack this much into 25 seconds. Like this much chaos.
Yeah. Dude, I saw an AI cat reel recently, which I hate AI, but this reel, it's divided me inside because it's so good. There's
Yeah.
a cat playing different instruments outside the owner's
I've seen
house.
this. I've seen this.
He
Yeah,
plays
exactly.
the flute and the owner
yeah,
takes
yeah,
the
yeah.
flute
He's playing the
away.
violin and is doing all of those things, right?
And
yeah,
it
I've
looks
seen that.
real. And she takes the flute away. He's like,
Yeah.
and then next he's playing a guitar.
Yeah.
And it's too good. It's like that's what AI should be used for. Finally, a good use.
100%. Yeah.
That's what I want. That all that
Like,
water.
yeah. I now just like look at my cats, real cats with disappointment.
yeah, like, look at that. Yeah.
Can't even.
You can't even
So,
sing.
Like,
Forget
yeah,
play an
we've had a
instrument.
drum kit at home for a decade. I've never once seen you go and pick up the sticks. Loser animal.
Oh man, yeah. What if we lose interest in real cats after the AI cats take over?
But that's the only thing that's left. Shift our disappointment from our children to our pets also. Like, you're not.
We get to
You're
go through
not
the
AI
same
dog.
emotions as
Yeah.
our previous generation, but
But
with animals.
dogs, that has already happened in dogs, right? Where you have that competitive dog thing where they jump through hoops and they
Yeah,
go
yeah,
up,
yeah.
come
And
down.
And the one
then-
doesn't do anything.
Yeah, it's like they're-
Oh yeah, the one which
yeah,
goes
yeah,
like
tick, tick,
this.
tick, tick,
Yeah,
tick,
yeah,
tick,
yeah.
that's-
Slaloming dogs and
Yeah,
shit.
Yeah,
that's-
yeah.
that's so awesome to watch.
It is awesome.
It's just,
But from the dog's POV, I'm like, dude.
yeah.
It's awesome, but I would never be able to train my dog because I'm like, look, I can't hold my dog to a standard of discipline that I, as a human being, do not possess. Okay, that I have never for once in my life shown in anything in regard to myself. Okay, this dog is doing like essentially his version of the Ironman
Yeah.
triathlon.
Yeah.
Okay, and I
And
do
all for
2
one
kilometers on
treat.
Carter Road, and I'm like, screw this.
It's mistreatment of the animal, honestly. Like, what are
Yeah.
you doing? Leave it in the forest. That's better. Just. But you were saying you recently watched something.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, dude. I'm like I'm a big true crime fan,
Love true crime.
and India doesn't know how to do true crime or crime.
Now, if you watch the statistics, we're pretty good at doing crime.
Yeah, we're doing crime, yes.
We're good at doing
But to
crime.
talk
Don't
about it,
accuse us of that.
talking about it.
We're pretty good at
finally,
doing crime, dude.
Unless it's a live stream.
yeah.
I watched Delhi
Like,
crime.
we are the tech generation, dude. Digital arrest.
Maybe we are so good at doing crime that
Yeah.
it's not. No one's able to capture the magic
Yeah,
on
like
camera.
coaches
Yeah,
don't
that's what
play.
it is.
Players don't
Yeah.
coach. No, but I watched Delhi Crime season 3. Dude, it's so bad. First of all, just like making everything second screen.
Yeah.
It's just ruining crime
Yeah,
itself
yeah.
as a genre because their exposition, they're just like keeping on exposing.
Oh, yeah. Everything has to be like said, spelled out loud,
Yeah,
right?
Wait, is that because they're assuming you're watching something else?
Yeah.
while
Oh, no,
Yeah.
no.
watching
It's a
this?
mandate.
Yeah.
So apparently OTT is like, there's now essentially a mandate saying that write everything with the assumption that the person watching is doing something else while watching. So extra spell out everything to the point where it should almost be like podcast level of, I am walking over to the fridge in case they're literally not looking.
Yeah.
So it
Yeah,
just
this is
stays-
where we've lived. This is where we live now.
That's like, why are we? What is it in us that makes us continue to want to watch these things while not fully paying attention? Why are we
The
even
slow
watching?
loneliness,
degradation
the-
of our brains, man. That's what
Loneliness,
it is.
bro.
That is what
Absolutely.
we're hyper-stimulated and fucked up.
Dude.
That is
We just
what it is.
have something on like a drip instead
Yeah,
of like,
because
that-
God forbid we should spend a second alone with our thoughts, right?
Oh,
No, the
man.
second screen thing, I'll tell you, like, there's a scene in this. I don't know, have you watched it?
No, I haven't.
Okay,
But
so there's a scene where one guy, he does a crime and the police is on to him.
in Delhi, right?
No, actually, no.
Well,
Yeah.
that's already unacceptable.
Yeah,
Hey man, if you could have like CSI Miami, and CSI New York,
Well,
and
yeah.
CSI Guwahati.
Yeah, Delhi crime, Rohtak.
Exactly.
Rohtak edition. Yeah, it's like Delhi
It's just
Public
more
School.
like NCR crime now.
Delhi Public School, Bangalore. Like we have
Exactly.
that.
So this guy does a crime.
Yeah.
Okay. The police onto him, and he has to leave, right?
Already unrealistic. Okay, yeah.
So now he has to buy a ticket, right, to get out of here. So he goes and buys a ticket, and the guy who's giving him the ticket is like, "ये ले लो सर आपका नेपाल का one-way ticket." And this guy takes it up. हाँ, अब तो पकड़ नहीं पाएगा.
Oh, he's
Like,
speaking out all his
every
thoughts.
God, everything. Like, you just subtitle it live.
It's just I was laughing.
Oh
and
my
then
God.
They don't know how to like do interrogations because they don't know because I'm pretty sure they can't show police brutality, right? Which is the truth, right? But they can't show that. So there's like one lady interrogating another the lady who's suspect and like क्या हुआ? And she's like क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? And he's like, okay, cool, I'll tell.
You have defeated me with volume.
The same question with more intensity.
Yeah.
I thought she'd give up
I'm not
after
a
two.
criminal, I'm just deaf.
It's a war of attrition, and you have won.
It is.
The worst.
I can't lose any more hearing now.
Dude, I think that could actually work. And not in 3 attempts,
Yeah.
maybe 3,000 times.
Yeah.
If you ask, like, the criminal, be like,
Keep
dude, are you
boring
crazy?
But we've always had this history of bad exposition. Like
Yeah.
even if you
Oh,
go
yeah.
back to like 80s movies or whatever,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
There'll always be again same that either hero ka friend or heroine ka friend will be like, अरे राजू वो वही राजू ना जिसने तुझे उस दिन मारा था और पहले तेरे घर के पास रहता था वही
Yes.
राजू ना. Like,
Suppose you say
they'll
nahi
give you
after that, right?
Essentially, like that character can have an asterisk and a footnote showing up during the presentation. Okay, this is the thing we have always had.
Yeah.
Dude,
and also the thing where sometimes during the exposition, they turn away from everyone and they just walk
Yeah,
towards
yeah.
the wall.
Yeah, fourth wall.
Continue talking.
Yeah,
And
fourth
like,
wall.
who does that in real life?
Yeah.
Like, there's one pet peeve I have with all. This is in Hollywood, Bollywood, everywhere, where which we never do in real life. Which is when the protagonist, usually the protagonist, is speaking to someone in a room, and then the person rejects them.
Yeah.
And they turn and they're leaving, and then when they've turned, they're like, "Suno."
Yeah.
And they turn back. No one.
call back.
It never
No one.
happens
Yeah.
in real
Nope.
life. No
Nope.
one ever
Never.
changes
Never.
their mind. in
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
No, never, not
But they
once.
still do it in films all the time. It's like they've not solved that. They're like, this just works every
That
time.
little aha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plot twist.
Yeah. That and the fact that they don't eat food in movies, it makes me so
Yeah,
angry.
like those epic breakfasts,
Yeah,
right? Where then
yeah.
someone will grab one
yeah.
toast.
Apparently, it's because of continuity. Like they don't
Yeah,
want
I
it to look
guess,
like
yeah.
the water level has dropped.
No, but you know the best, like all these reality TV, like Love is Blind, Love Island, and all, how they solve continuities. They have not a glass; it's like a solid thing,
Opaque.
Like an opaque
Yeah,
thing,
yeah.
yeah.
opaque thing. So
None.
it's
That's
Tonight
a pretty
Show
simple
method.
solve. Yeah.
it's
Tonight
like that
Show
whole
method.
moon thing, right?
Yeah.
Like NASA was trying to figure out a pen to write in the moon, and Russia just used a
Pencil.
pencil.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's like the
Oh my
most
God.
viral
Oh my
post in
God.
Russia ever.
That is, yeah, 100. That's the first email sent in Russia had that story. in
Forward
it.
to 10 people.
Exactly.
Putin just has that tattooed on his chest.
Yeah, but in pencil.
In pencil. I just saw Putin on a poster, on a huge billboard.
The way
here.
you said that, I just saw Putin in Oshiwara.
Last guest.
It was Andheri actually, but on a billboard.
Yeah.
With our premiers
Yeah,
shaking
honorable.
hands.
Nice, nice.
It was a Russia television RT.
Oh,
ad.
RT, yeah.
It's just very surreal to see him in the like on such a huge poster of him.
That's life size, Putin.
That's life size.
Yeah, that's how.
Apparently he's really tiny, right?
yeah.
He's like really short.
He's always far away.
yeah.
He's, yeah.
He never comes close
What
to
is,
the public.
what is that viral wide Putin, right? That is the
What?
like there's a YouTube video which has like tons of millions of views, which is basically just Putin walking from his office to address some place, and there's like a camera following him. It's called wide Putin because the aspect ratio they have cut it to make it look like he's wide.
He's wide.
And just walking.
Oh yeah, I've seen this. Yeah, I've seen this one. Yeah. Just that gigantic Putin. Yeah.
Wide
And you know
Putin.
that one hand he doesn't swing
Yeah,
because
yeah,
he keeps it for the gun.
He keeps,
He's
yeah,
ready for the
exactly.
gun.
His gun hand.
Amazing.
Gun hand. A lot of people have that dummy hand also, no? Jeff Bezos' bodyguard, they have one dummy
Bobby
hand.
Deol, yeah,
Bobby
Yeah.
Deol, the Bobby Deol. Yeah.
Soldier or what was it?
Bichu or soldier?
Bichu, maybe.
One or the
Yeah.
other.
Yeah.
He didn't look like a soldier in that one. Must be a
Nah,
Bichu.
nah. He didn't look like a bichu.
You know, he didn't look like he didn't look like Bichu either.
Maybe his zodiac sign, Scorpio.
You imagine the effort every time he puts on, he has to tuck the tail.
It's a fake tail. There's one more. There's one more tail.
You fell for my classic fake tail trick
Oh,
again.
fuck. It's a mind. What do you guys think of Bobby Deol's second coming? Like, how is it going?
I think it's amazing. I think it proves that with resilience, one day we will all be okay. No matter how bad things
He's
get.
doing that one Bobby Deol expression in all films now. The Jack Nicholson eyebrows.
Yeah.
But
Full
nothing,
on.
no other Jack Nicholson trait.
No.
Just the eyebrows. And he's just standing and being quiet. And usually he's drinking whiskey in every scene.
Yeah.
With
Yeah.
a cigarette also in his
And the
hand.
thing is, because he's gotten older,
Yeah.
that blank look now just has assumed gravitas.
You're
Yeah.
right.
From
You're
age, right? It's just assumed gravitas.
He
As
sort
a
of
result.
aged into his acting.
Yes,
Like now it
exactly
works.
that. Now it just works. Yeah, it just works. He's essentially the definition of wine. He's
like
now
that.
of the correct
I
vintage.
fear the warrior who has practiced one thing 1,000 times. Whatever that is.
Yes, exactly.
One
that.
roll. I can play only one roll.
Wiggle your big toe.
He's been wiggling until now.
Exactly. Now he's ready.
Yeah, now the world is into big toe wiggling finally. They're
Exactly.
all
That
watching.
is right. He was always ready. It is just now that the moment the world has caught up to him.
Yes.
Now.
He was ahead of his time.
That is the yes,
Yeah.
exactly. That is what it was. He was ahead of his time.
I always find it interesting when, like, because he was in this Bads of Bollywood, and because that show is supposed to be for the youth in a sense.
Yeah.
To capture youth now, India, you in the trailer only you swear as much as
Yes,
possible.
as much as
and
possible.
show as much sexual innuendos, so
Yes.
everyone
Double
filters.
meaning,
You
yeah.
filter out.
Like, yeah. This
everyone
show is
there.
edgy.
Yeah.
Right
Entendres.
away,
Doctor,
yeah.
Doctor Entendre.
Dr. Entendre. Dr. Double Entendre.
Doctor Double Entendre.
Entendre. Double Entendre.
Oh my god.
This Johnny Greenwood soundtracks for
Oh,
all
dude,
these
for
Paul
one
Thomas
battle.
Anderson. Yeah. One battle after another. So damn good.
Outstanding.
Also,
And-
that film was a flop apparently.
no,
They're
it's
saying.
still doing okay. So in the sense, I think it was always like supposed to be like a prestige / Oscar play and not a box office play. But I think the word of mouth has kind of carried it. And
has.
it's not done as badly as they thought it was. It's apparently crossed 200 million worldwide.
That's-
Okay.
So
That
not
sounds like
terrible
a good
for
number.
like, and it is now available on digital. So if you haven't seen it, please go
Oh,
watch
really?
it.
Where?
Yeah.
Apple TV?
It's on Apple TV and YouTube to rent or to buy. Please.
That's one I don't mind renting also.
Oh,
Very
no worries.
nice.
So
movie.
good.
Very
So
nice.
damn
happily
good.
will happily rent that movie.
Yeah.
So enjoyable it was. Oh
I
my
rented
God.
Param Sundari, bro.
You rented
There's
Param Sundari,
way more
that's why.
battles in that one. That one battle. All battles
I
at the same
think
time.
You need to fight less battles. I think, yeah. You need to,
Come on, man.
even Paul Thomas Anderson, even Sensei is like less courage.
Please.
Less courage, please.
Please.
There's no need.
Come on,
Yeah,
man. I
Param
had to do it.
Like,
Sundari-
I can tell you for a fact that neither Siddharth Malhotra nor Janvi Kapoor has rented Param Sundari.
They didn't rent an acting coach for Param Sundari also.
There's no need for you to do this.
Yeah. You watched it in the movie theater?
No, I rented
Okay.
it on OTT.
Oh, you rented it.
At the
Okay.
He
comfort of
rented a
my
movie
own
theater
home.
to watch Param Sundari.
Alone.
He committed so hard to it
He watched it in a Spice Jet plane. All alone.
while playing cricket.
Fun fact. I don't know if it's
Oh,
fun.
wow.
I don't know if it's fun. It's a fact though. I was in Kerala now, in Thekadi, which, you know,
Yeah.
Spice Valley.
Yeah.
And I was in the room where Paul McCartney had stayed in 2002. They've put a plaque on the door. And
Yeah.
they're like, we gave you the room Paul stayed in. I'm like, okay.
Really?
Yeah,
You were in that
awesome.
room?
I was in that room.
Okay. Bedsheet and all changed, right?
I hope it's 2002. I hope.
Okay.
So one would hope so.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, you wanted
Many
to be.
things have changed and many things haven't. That's all we will say on that matter.
Oh, that's nice.
It's
man.
pretty cool.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's,
yeah.
That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, it was. It was a nice.
Even
room.
the Taj will have those rooms, right?
100%.
Where like someone big
Someone.
has stayed.
The Taj in Mumbai.
Yeah, Mumbai will have
100%.
Oh
like-
yeah, 100%, right? We're like, oh, Obama was here.
Yeah,
or this
yeah,
was
all
here,
those
or
will be
whatever.
there.
It's like,
Yeah.
yeah.
And there'll be no, don't do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. We all thought it. We all thought it. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
As long
Every
as we don't
single
do it.
one of us has thought it. Right? Every single one of us thought it.
But I must. It's my duty. What? I think this is the best way to get a joke through without.
Yeah, just don't.
We all telepathically
Every
we
single
have
person
communicated.
in Zoom, and oh my god.
It's like in you've seen those old USSR US meets where they drink wine together, looking at their eyes and drinking. So
Yeah.
that like,
Yeah. It's like,
don't,
just
don't do it, dude.
Oh God.
Man.
like,
But
No,
Rohan,
but-
you're a big pop culture guy,
Yes.
and I often ask you for movie recommendations because you have seen all of them. So, are there any 3 movie recommendations right now? We'll be Chalchitra
3
talks
movie
for a
recommendations
few
right
minutes.
now. Okay. So I saw this really fun film called Strange Darling.
Okay,
That was
New?
really good. I think it's on Prime. It's a couple of years old. So the same guy who did Long Walk this year.
Okay.
It was, I think, one of his first films. Quite an interesting and strange film. Very much enjoyed it. Another film, 3, huh? Okay. If you guys haven't seen One Battle After Another, please do.
Please,
Yeah.
I watched it twice. It's so good.
Absolutely.
You can rent it for the same price of Param Sundari. You can.
That should be a double feature.
Yeah, exactly.
If you like
The
this,
perfect-
you will not like this. So watch this. also.
No, Param Sundari, you don't rent it. It's like
Are you
with you.
only going to stay in your echo chamber and watch things you like?
Dude, this reminds. This is like in Amazon when you buy a package, a thing. You don't buy the package.
Yeah.
There's, whatever you buy, there should be an option of people who didn't like this, bought this. So if you
Yeah.
bought a product and you don't
Yeah,
like it,
yeah.
Anti-recommendation.
Sell another
Yeah,
thing
the
to them,
anti-recommendation.
dude. Amazon.
Your friend hated this.
Yeah,
But
oh.
we also know you hate your friend.
Yeah.
So maybe
Your
you
friend
really
who you
like
hate
this.
like this. So don't buy. Okay.
Okay.
One battle. Okay.
So one battle is out of, but
Yeah.
Strange Darling was one
Yes.
great one. Then I saw, what else did I see recently that was really amazing movie-wise? I saw this. It's a pretty old movie, but it's by this Japanese director called Kiyoshi Kurosawa.
His brother.
No. I don't know if he's related in any
Okay.
way. It's a
No.
90s movie. It is called Cure.
Okay.
It's called Cure.
It's a thriller.
Really weird, sort of psychological thriller
Yeah.
/ horror, low budgety type thing.
Nice.
Very enjoyable it was. And if you haven't, I absolutely recommend this movie called Green Room.
Yeah.
If you haven't watched it, please watch this movie called
This is a
Green Room.
Hollywood film.
It's a Hollywood film.
Okay.
It's called Green Room. It is literally just about this essentially upcoming punk band.
Oh.
Like they're the sort of punk band that is like, literally sleeping in their van and going from place to place.
But
to
it's in the
place.
70s, 80s, or is it
No,
now?
no. It's
Present
like it's
day.
contemporary, present
Okay.
day.
Okay.
And they essentially show up to play like this gig in the middle of nowhere. And as they're in the green room at one point, they realize that they're essentially in a neo-Nazi bar. And they
Ooh.
see something go down that they shouldn't. And now the whole bar is trying to murder them.
Damn.
Yeah. So it is a
Sounds fun.
very violent film. It is quite a
The punk rock band.
yeah, it is.
hilarious.
It's one of those movies that just does not go in the direction that you expect. Oh, yes, I'm going to add one
Yeah,
extra
yeah.
one if you haven't, because I had this recommended to me by a friend recently, and I watched it very late in life. But if you haven't, please, please, please find and watch this Japanese film called One Cut of the Dead.
One cut of the
One
day.
Cut of the Dead. And again, please trust me when I say just stick with it. All right? Because you will watch
Pay
it for the
off.
first 30 minutes and you'll be like, I don't understand this recommendation at all.
Yeah.
This is just straight up one of the worst movies I have
Yeah.
seen in my life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But just stick with it. It is
Interesting.
outstanding. It is incredibly meta and just one of the most precise comedies I've seen in my life. Like it's one
Oh,
of
it's
those
a
things where-
comedy.
It just watch it.
Okay.
Huh? No, in fact, you know what? I'm going to say straight up,
Yeah.
don't read the plot.
Okay,
Oh.
okay.
Don't read the plot. Don't do anything. Just
go in
start
blind.
watching One Cut of the Dead.
Is it
Okay.
on something right now? Or you
It's on the internet.
Yeah.
It's on the
Okay.
internet.
Yeah.
It's on the internet.
I'm sure we can find it.
Find it.
The pirates
Find
on the
it
bay.
100%.
The bay.
Watch
The
it.
bay of
Read
pirate.
nothing.
Okay, nice.
Read nothing and just sit
Yeah.
down and start watching it.
Yeah.
And just get ready for the strangest experience of your life. It's great.
Interesting.
I watched these it's the Southeast guys. These guys are doing. I watched Chaser recently.
Okay.
Oh,
the
yeah.
Chaser.
Yeah.
I'm not
You're not watching, dude. It's ridiculous. So they know how to do crime very, very well.
Yeah.
Because the crime they describe and they show the crime as it happened. So it's absolutely gory, and it's a very like how Mallu movies treat crime, where it's a lot of like running around solving
Yeah,
a crime.
yeah.
Yes.
Going from here, you have to go there. You
Yeah,
get one
yeah.
small thing, come here, right?
Yeah.
Like a
Where-
proper procedural.
Yep,
Yeah.
yeah, exactly. Right. So
Yeah.
so Korean movies, they know how to do that very, very well. And this is the same guy who did Old Boy.
Oh,
Wait,
okay.
okay.
The
So have you
Chaser.
seen Decision to Leave?
No.
No, I
Oh, dude,
was
you should
there
watch
also.
Decision to Leave as well. Same guy, Chan Wook Park.
Yeah.
Great film.
He's amazing.
Yeah.
dude.
So the Chaser,
Oh, nice. I'll check it out.
unbelievable.
I watched this. It's an old Werner Herzog film, Aguirre, The Wrath of God.
Oh, dude, that movie is so awesome.
What an insane film.
Yeah, I don't
It's
and
know.
if and for extra fun, please go read about the making of the film.
Yeah, and the actor, what's his name?
Klaus Kinski.
Klaus
Insane
Kinski,
person.
An absolute madman.
Absolute madman. Werner Herzog literally went into the Amazon to make the film. He had no money, no nothing. They suffered greatly, like in the sense, because it's literally to say they suffered greatly is an
Yeah.
understatement. In addition to this, Klaus Kinski was just straight up insane.
Yeah.
Funnily enough, father of Natasha Kinski,
Oh.
the actor from what was that movie?
I know.
The one about the alien man that we all watched in the 90s.
Oh,
How are we? Oh, never mind.
not E.T.
No, not E.T. Not, but Natasha Kinski. But anyway, so Klaus Kinski was so absolutely terrible that at one point Werner Herzog had to literally threaten him with like a gun
Yeah.
to get to work. And I don't know
The
if the story.
locals, the locals-
The locals literally, like one of the local chiefs literally came up to Werner Herzog and said, if you want
Yeah.
him to die,
Yeah.
and if you want us to make it look like an accident,
Oh.
just let
Yeah.
us know. We'll
Yeah.
handle this for you.
Yeah, it was actually
'Cause
the.
this guy.
It was two. Fitzcarraldo, the second one,
Fitzcarraldo
where
also,
like
yeah.
they wanted him dead. But both
Yeah.
these films, like he's a lunatic,
Ah.
but Werner Herzog just saw
Werner Herzog,
something in
yeah.
him.
And while you're at it, if you haven't, please watch Grizzly Man.
I watched Grizzly Man.
I'm not
Please
watched
watch
it,
this. It's a
yeah.
Oh my
documentary that
God.
Werner Herzog did.
Ah.
And it's quite brilliant.
Yeah. I can't even. Sometimes I watched it twice. Once it was a comedy to me, and
Yeah,
once it was
100%
not.
same.
What is
Same.
Grizzly Man? What is
It's
that
a
guy?
real-
So the real
story,
guy is a guy
yeah.
called Timothy Treadwell.
Yeah.
He was this sort of expert in grizzly bears, etc.,
Okay.
whatever. But he's also like, it's one of those cautionary tales.
Yeah.
Where it's like, look, you can think nature is your friend and you can think you understand it, etc., whatever. But be respectful.
Yeah.
Because a bear is still a bear.
Bear, correct.
And
Yeah.
the thing is, he literally he started off as I'm trying to foster this understanding of grizzly bears,
Yeah.
etc., whatever. Except he thought he could go and live with them.
Yeah.
And and this is something that gets established very early in the movie.
Yeah.
Basically, him and his girlfriend literally got ripped to shreds.
Yeah. They
And
don't show
killed.
it, but
Like-
the way they
Yeah.
reveal that is also more scary
Yeah.
than showing it.
Like
actually.
by grizzly bears in the
Yeah.
wild while they thought they were being all
Yeah.
like, oh,
Okay.
So this is a
we will
documentary.
go. And it's just Werner Herzog's documentary of what makes a person like that tick.
Yeah.
And also that sort of same Into the Wild thing, right?
Yeah,
Where you're sort of
yeah.
like, listen, your intentions might be good,
Yeah.
but like, get a grip, guys.
Yeah.
Right? Like,
that
get
blind
a fucking
belief,
grip.
Yeah, blind belief
Like
doesn't
that,
work.
and
with,
also just that idea that I will go be one with nature. Nature
Correct.
has fangs, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. The thing is, don't
yeah,
forget,
yeah,
nature has fangs.
Yeah.
That's true. Like
Man.
that's very good, Grizzly Man.
Grizzly
Check it
Man.
out.
I think I read about this thing, but like I'll watch it. But yeah, man, I'm in this whole Korean movie, Japanese. Like,
Have you watched
handmade.
Memories of Murder?
Oh yes.
Dude.
Yeah.
What a film.
Yeah.
What a film.
So I got into this whole zone with books only,
Nice.
with all your Kigo, Higashino, and all
Yeah,
these
yeah,
guys.
yeah. Nice.
Nuts, right? Anything, Malice. Your
I think you'll enjoy
Suspect
this
X.
book called, if you like those, it's this book I read I stumbled upon last year and really enjoyed, called The Aosawa Murders. AOSAWA.
will.
The Aosawa Murders.
Huh.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
It's a sort of, so the conceit of the book is that this fictional murder or whatever it is, it actually happened in like the 60s or the 70s. And now a journalist is essentially going around interviewing different people to try and understand what happened.
okay.
So it's you're trying to understand what happened.
Yeah.
But you're also going through the really unreliable memories of all the different people. Every chapter is just her interviewing
Yeah.
a different
Oh,
person.
that's awesome.
Dude, there's a Mallu movie just like this.
So it's
Yeah,
brilliant.
yeah.
Which one? What's it called?
I forgot the name, but it's the same thing. A crime that happened in the 60s. One police inspector is going and trying to solve it now.
Amazing.
And it's just like you meet all these characters and you know the killer is always there. Mallu movies are doing great. They
Dude,
get
Mallu
inspired
movies are
from these guys.
outstanding, man.
Yeah, they
Mallu
get
movies
inspired
are
from
so good.
the East.
I'm
There's-
sorry. No more Mallu movie talk.
Why?
Okay.
You've done it in every episode.
Bro,
Okay, fine.
they deserve recognition.
This
We
guy-
spoke about
this guy
Golmaal
is-
3.
this guy's
Listen, Param Sundari.
This guy's been sent on a mission from his state. We get it. Y'all make the best movies right
Dude, they make
now.
awesome movies.
God.
It's true though. The Mallu
They
industry is
do,
killing it.
I
Dude.
agree.
They do
Dude,
100%.
have you watched Pon Man? There's a movie called Pon Man. Ponman. Pon Man.
Hollow Man, have you watched?
Yeah.
Hollow Man is the
Dude,
movie.
the premise of that is like you will not get that premise anywhere else, which is basically there's a family that
Don't
wants
tell
to-
me there's a guy on a houseboat. And
No,
that's why you won't get it.
that is
A
Param
family
Sundari.
of literate people.
There's a dancer lady and
There's a
Siddharth
state.
Malhotra.
There's a state where all three religions live in equal number. That's why you won't get it anywhere else.
No. Hey man.
Hey, I'll tell you a movie you won't get anywhere but in Bengal. There's a guy who lives on the Howrah Bridge. All right? There's nowhere else you see that movie.
And his life is unspeakable tragedy.
He eats jhalmudi sitting
Yeah.
on the Howrah Bridge.
Yeah.
Hey, there's a Mallu movie like that, bro. No, so there's a guy. So basically, a family is trying to marry their daughter off.
Yeah.
And they don't have money to get. So the dowry, they need gold. The
Sure.
whatever groom's family. So they don't have money. So they were like, okay, cool. They know that they will get money during the wedding. When people come and they'll
Yeah.
give money during the wedding. So they were like, okay, we'll buy gold on loan. And when during the wedding, they will come and give you, and they'll give the money to the gold people. So there's a guy, Pun is gold in Malayalam. Pun man is gold man. He's the guy who rents gold. Basically, on credit, he's giving gold and getting this one. So, and a lot of things happen in which they don't get the money.
Okay.
And now what happens?
Nice. Okay.
Nice. Yeah, they make nice premises. They keep
Yeah,
the
very
premises
micro
Right?
premises.
fun.
Yeah. Then you get to do like these screwball things, right?
Yeah.
Because things just spiral out.
Yeah.
It's like go into split hairs. Don't stay in like the
Exactly.
wide shot all the time.
It's almost like movies are better when they're rooted in relatable premises.
Yeah,
Damn,
exactly,
who knew?
I started watching this Pluribus.
I haven't started yet. I'm waiting for more episodes to happen.
Gilligan show.
Yeah.
Dude, what an insane premise. The premise is amazing.
Don't tell me anything.
I won't tell you anything.
I don't wanna know
Just
anything.
watch it. It's just I'll
I
say.
love Vince Gilligan. I
Yeah.
love Rhea Seehorn. I'm so glad
Yeah,
she
yeah,
gets
yeah.
to be
She's
at the
the lead.
center of a thing.
I also love. All I'll say is, it's not at all trying to be Breaking Bad. That's the most important.
Okay.
thing.
That's
It's-
amazing.
Fair enough.
It's
Yeah.
totally
That's
away
outstanding.
from that. I'm scared because the premise is so ambitious. I'm
The
like,
thing
you
everybody
could
forgets
lose-
is Vince Gilligan literally used to write
X-Files.
X-Files episodes, dude.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
So this is
That's
up
how
his alley.
he wrote an episode that Cranston was in.
Okay.
Yeah, he literally wrote an episode Cranston was in. And that's like kind of where their working relationship started from. So he's
Yeah.
a weird guy.
This guy hates Vince Gilligan.
No, I don't like Breaking Bad. at
Why?
the
Because
end.
he's not Mallu.
Vince Chatton. There's a Mallu Breaking Bad which is so good.
You know, yeah. There would have been a guy you can just borrow meth from.
If they were
And then
making instead
when
of
you
meth,
get the
they were
money
making-
from selling the meth, you can just give it back to
Yeah,
them.
if they were making
And I
coconut
don't know why
chutney
he
instead of
Coconut
meth.
chutney.
Instead of meth, they were doing coconut chutney. out
I
of
was
it.
waiting for you to say it so I can jump on the premise. I can't be the one bringing up what he's selling instead. You, as the Mallu representative, he has given me coconut chutney to work with. Now I can do the joke, all right? He's making the blue coconut chutney that no one has
Yeah.
seen before. This guy's like, tight.
No, I like Breaking Bad at the start. That I told you, the fly episode is where I lost it.
you hate that
You can't do
episode.
that to me. You
You remember that episode?
Yeah, I love the fly episode.
that's-
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
I love the fly
It's a
episode.
nice little break.
I
It's
love
love
a good
Param
bottle
Sundari.
episode, dude. I love a good bottle episode. All right,
Yeah.
bottle episodes are a lost art, especially in this new streaming era where we no longer have filler episodes, we no longer have standalone episodes,
That's true.
and we no longer have bottle episodes, and our shows are poorer for it. All right.
Vince Gilligan's actually, the thing is, again, he's like so anti-AI
Yeah.
that you can see some scenes, you're like, okay, he just put this in as a fuck you to whatever the present mainstream thought is. Like, extended a scene where it maybe an executive would say, cut this
No, he's like,
silence.
"No,
He's
now I'll put it twice."
yeah, longer. Nothing happened for 2 minutes. Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
point. You don't see it on film anymore. Nothing
Exactly.
happening.
Deal with it.
Yeah. But you can watch in 1.5x. This guy watches movies at 1.5x.
Dude, no.
Add the masala.
I know. No.
This is the last
No.
episode of Broke Studio, by the way.
No, dude. No. Shame on you.
No, I don't watch
Shame.
movies.
All your credibility about, Mallu movie is so good, and screw
Dude,
you.
I watched Mallu within
Screw
0.75,
you.
bro.
Yeah, he told me, Mallu movies are best because they are only 30 minutes long. I'm like, what? Then I realized he's watching it at 2x.
I didn't really get the danger in Manjumel Boys because, in 20 minutes he was out.
It was
How fast he fell down.
Like, man, I've been in bathrooms for long.
Manjumal Boys is about a minor inconvenience.
Exactly. It's about
Not
a
movies.
fun
Movies I
boys
watch at
trip
1.5x.
with one thing you don't tell your parents about.
Only YouTube I watch at 1.5x.
That's
not
why I
movies.
love magic now. I used to hate magic, but magic is the only thing we slow down to watch
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I'm trying
yeah.
to catch
Like,
where he did the
Like,
slide
what,
of
what did I
hand.
miss?
It's so sad. Magicians when they upload videos now, everyone's like, as you can see in 456, he
Yeah,
didn't
everyone
call
in the
them out.
Dude, there's a guy on Instagram whose account is called Dominicus, okay? His whole account is only exposing magic tricks, okay? So he'll just play a reel of some magic trick or whatever and he'll be like, here's how it's done, okay?
Yeah.
Oh my
so
God.
I have, over the last 5 years, just had little pieces of magic stripped away from my life because I now know how every common trick that I see on the internet
Oh my
works.
God. There is no anti those guys rhetoric or what. Like there is like someone who's an atheist towards magic essentially. It's what this guy is.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah.
No one's trying to get those guys or what. Like
No, so there's that whole magician's code, right?
Yeah, but
Where
it's
like,
but they're a magician. They wear a hat. Who
Yeah.
do you have? Why?
Remember the famous the magician's tricks finally revealed or whatever the show which used to go-
The
Masked
Breaking
Magician.
the Magician's Code, it was
Yes,
called.
dude,
yeah,
I
yeah,
loved
yeah,
that
cracking.
show, dude.
It
I
was,
was
but there's
like-
another amazing show if you haven't watched it. I think again available in different parts of the internet. Penn and Teller's Fool Us.
Fool us. Love
Fool
it.
Us is an outstanding
So
show.
good.
So fun. It's literally just Penn and Teller are hosting it. Magicians come on and like American Idol style do
Yeah.
tricks in front of them.
Yeah.
And the thing is, can Penn and Teller, as the
how.
preeminent,
Yeah.
can they
Yeah.
tell how it happened?
Okay.
Or can you
Dude, I
literally
love it.
fool Penn and Teller?
I love it.
Okay, and some of those magicians that come out there and legit
Insane.
fool them
Yeah.
are next level.
Yeah. They literally have become, many of them are like doing Las Vegas
Yeah,
residencies
full on.
now
Like
and
Chris
stuff.
Angel. Huh?
And at
Mind
the,
freak.
And at the end, like at the end of the show, there's this beautiful thing that happens where Penn and Teller will come out and do
Yeah.
a trick themselves.
Yeah.
And sort of break down how magic works
Oh, so
for
they
you
are
in their
revealing the trick.
Penn and Teller
Yeah,
style.
they're different. Like they're very like Penn. Which one? Who's the one who
Penn
talks?
Jillette is the one
Yeah,
who talks and Teller doesn't talk.
So he's a very vocal atheist himself.
Okay. Yeah.
So he's sort of in the same way he approaches magic. He's like, this is trickery. That's
Yeah,
the point.
it
Yeah.
is.
It's a skill.
Yeah.
It's better to admit that it's a skill and I'm really good at it.
Yeah,
rather than
exactly, yeah.
Saying it's magic.
Yeah.
Also, I love when they get tricked or they don't get tricked. They use these magician jargon. They're like, I know that was the
So they
Hungarian
don't
double
want to spoil
swap.
the trick for everyone.
They're like, what is that?
Yeah, because they don't want to spoil it, obviously, to the
Yeah.
whole world. So they'll be like, yeah, did you do
Yeah.
the version of the... I'm just going to say if the
Yeah.
words Paris shuffle
Yes.
mean anything to you, and that guy will be like, yes. And then you go up there, and we are still like, but I don't know.
It's kind of their version of the hotel thing we just did earlier, where you were like, "Don't say it." We did our inner jargon.
Are you guys fans of Arrested Development?
Oh,
Yeah, of course,
big
dude.
time.
Job's character,
Yes,
man.
yes.
Dude, hilarious.
So
Dude.
good. I gotta rewatch that show. That show was
Oh, man,
so
that
good.
show is just all kinds of
Unbelievable.
outstanding.
all time,
Unbelievable.
all time
The
great.
funniest part of Joe's character is in the episode 1, you find out he had found this organization which protects magicians from revealing their secrets.
Yeah.
Yes.
And in the first episode only, he gets kicked out of it himself because he hid his father from the police in like a trick. Which
Yeah.
is on national
Yes.
Oh, Oh man.
That is just, AD was like too good. But
Oh.
the reboot was horrible.
No,
but
no,
yeah.
just the
No,
original
no.
three
Yeah, yeah.
seasons. Just the original seasons.
But speaking of AD, I think we are ready to go back in time now.
Okay.
for the final
Oh,
segment.
my God.
Thank you.
I'm just going to say a word. Segue. Does
That's
that
right.
mean
Yeah,
anything to you?
That's right.
Is that a Hungarian double segue?
That's right. That's the. Are you talking about the bike that you stand on and lean forward? That's the one. So this is a very celebrated segment on our podcast.
Very
also, the
celebrated.
only segment.
Yeah.
It's called Small Talk Different Year. We're just gonna have a podcast conversation like we have been having, but now it's not 2025. It's the year 2014. No strategy behind choosing that year as
Yeah.
such.
None.
We're just in that year.
Yeah.
A
good year.
We're not in December. Let's just say 2014. We're earlier than December 2014.
Yeah, okay.
And importantly, you don't have to be Rohan Joshi.
Okay.
We're just three people.
Yeah.
in the
Just three
year.
people
Cool.
excited
Sure.
about the year, excited about the events
Yeah,
coming
hell
up.
yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And let's go. So,
Oh,
my
man.
Snapchat is like popping
Dude,
right now. guys.
man, I just made such a sick tweet.
Oh,
Yeah?
really?
Yeah. It's great. It got like retweets and stuff.
Yeah. How many characters?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, 140, man. I
Oh,
maxed it out.
140.
I
Right
maxed
on
it out.
Dude,
right
that's-
there. Bleeding edge.
Perfect. 140. Like the best thing about Twitter is they'll never go more than 140
Yeah.
characters.
And the good thing is like it's such a great place to just exchange ideas.
Yeah,
It
and
is.
foster a
and
community.
foster and right and what's great is that like I feel like the good thing about it is that it's run by unlike say like a Zuckerberg, it's
Yeah.
run by like a group of sensible people.
Yeah.
And I think it
Yeah.
will continue that way
Yeah,
for the
not like-
foreseeable
yeah,
future.
For sure, right? For sure. And I love the name Twitter. It just works.
Yeah, I think it
Timeless.
just works. Yeah.
Timeless.
I
It
feel
can-
like I don't think they'll ever change the name, dude.
That would be ridiculous.
Yeah, that's crazy,
Yeah,
dude.
what
You
do you change
nailed
that
it.
to?
What can
Yeah.
you change
I
it
mean,
to?
it's one of those things you can call, like, you can change the name, but like, you still always call it Xerox, right?
Yeah.
So in
Yeah.
that same way,
Yeah, just you can.
Yeah.
And it's just like how, the ideas we can give on Twitter. And we know that, like, everyone knows that it's just an idea. No one's going to hold you accountable for it 10 years later.
No.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
That idea,
That's beautiful.
That's
That's the beautiful
beautiful.
thing,
It's
dude. It's
just-
just
yeah.
there and it's gone in the wind.
yeah. It's like a moment in time.
Yeah.
People will
Yeah.
always get context that, this
Correct.
person was less mature when they tweeted that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And
That's
people
what-
will understand that.
yeah.
And that's what I love about humanity in 2014, the year.
Yeah,
right now.
just a
True.
bunch of like beautifully tolerant,
Optimistic.
incredible,
yeah.
optimistic
The
people.
future
you
looks
know?
good
I mean,
right now.
I think like we've got the free world is led by somebody like Obama.
yeah.
It's pretty great.
Yeah.
I think. Do you think Obama is sort of like the gateway to like more?
It's the start.
Yeah, I think 100%, right?
It's
I
a
think
start.
from
We're
here
gonna
you're only
lean
going to
in this
get way
direction.
and more progressive
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
Younger.
I think what's going to happen is you're going to just see this overall breeding. Like what happens with somebody like him, right? Is you're going to see this breeding of like scientific temperament, which we need so much, right, to face the challenges that I think are coming our way,
I can
like
feel
in
it already,
terms of like, climate change, etc. All
Correct.
of that. So I think like it's really important that this scientific temperament
Yeah.
gets bred, because I feel like the main crisis, like what for the next 7-8 years, is climate change. Right? I can't think of anything
Yeah.
else that could
But
possibly.
what do
be.
you think after that? Because we will solve that in like 7-8 years.
Yeah, 100%.
But after climate change, what happens?
I think after climate
We're
change,
perfect?
Yeah, I mean, nothing will ever be perfect, right?
Okay.
I don't think anything will ever be perfect. We'll always have things to solve for.
Yeah.
Yes.
But I think I can only see things getting better and better. Like, I feel like we're just going to have more checks and balances.
Yeah.
Right? I think overall, just more vibrant institutions.
Yeah.
Do you think like free speech, particularly like in our country, because we are in India?
Yeah.
Do you think we're heading in the right direction, free speech?
Oh, dude, like I sense a great like positive change coming.
Yeah.
Like, yeah,
I can feel it coming too.
100%.
You
Yeah,
can feel
yeah,
it?
I can't wait, man. I
It's
feel
like, it's like sooner than I can feel
Oh,
like
dude,
a couple of months.
100%. There's going to be like a comedy club on every corner, and people
Every
are going to be
corner.
saying whatever they want.
Yeah.
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 And I also think, what I like is because, when we're amongst each other, we poke each other and like make fun of each
Yeah,
other.
yeah, yeah.
And the
What is
world
the word
is
for that? What is the
roast.
Oh,
Yeah,
roast,
exactly.
And
roast,
the world's
Yeah,
ready
yeah.
for that.
I think
on
the
a
world is
larger
ready for
scale.
that. I feel like, I mean, it's funny you should say that because, my friends and I are actually working on something.
you are?
That, I think it's
What?
going to be great. I think it's going to be really, really great. And
When is it due? The end of the year? or
yeah,
something?
end of the year, early next year.
Yeah.
And I think like I foresee like a lot of positivity.
Yeah, again, it's like Obama. It's like opening the doors.
One
for,
only to good things.
only
Maybe
the
you
good
can do
things.
multiple of those, right? You do
Oh,
one.
dude!
and then you do
Ideally, the
season.
hope is one every year, right? And
Yeah.
then you do that in a
I
break.
think that's
'cause,
too less.
Like,
Yeah.
there's no going back from there.
Yeah.
No,
Right?
no.
Like,
What's going to hold you back?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Nothing at all, right? Like, huh? Oh, I don't want to say because like I feel like it's important that like we protect it. We want it to be a surprise.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's gonna be great.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
It's gonna be great, and I think it's gonna be great fun because you get to do something like that and put it on YouTube, right? You got to put like an hour and a half. And the good thing is, people really enjoy long form content. I've realized this.
Yeah.
People want to sit and watch things for like
Yeah.
70 to 80 minutes.
We have really fostered a culture of patience. Like
100%.
patience is increasing.
Patience,
right?
and
Tolerance.
because like
Yeah.
with YouTube, etc.,
Yeah.
right? The thing is, there's just so much more good information
Correct.
out there, right?
Correct.
Like so much more reality, so much more context setting happens.
Yeah.
So you sit down, you're like, I'm going to watch a bunch of 30, 40-minute explainer videos
Yeah.
by credible sources.
Yes.
And it's-
And you can't and at 1x at the right speed always.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Don't-
What are you talking about? I don't know what is the speed.
Oh yeah, that's just you made up a term 1x. Is that not a term yet? I'm
what's the
sorry.
name?
Sometimes I'm ahead of my time.
What's
Yeah,
X?
clearly, very.
Let
I
me
don't know
just
what you're
let me
talking
just tweet what's X.
But I mean, in general, to sum up what you said, like the artist Pharrell has said just this year,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
happy. I'm
Yeah,
happy
I'm
about
happy.
the
about.
Yeah,
future.
I'm
you know?
incredibly happy, man.
I
Yeah.
feel like
You know?
a room without a roof, whatever that means. So clap along.
Yeah, that seems to be the least happiest situation.
Yeah, exactly.
I've spoken like a
yeah.
person
I
who's
think
never
what he's
lived
saying-
in a room without a
No,
roof.
I think he's speaking like somebody who's happy that the tornado's gone. The tornado's gone. Yeah. I'm happy.
Yeah, I'm still here.
It took the roof, but I'm still here.
Yeah, it's like
And
Dorothy.
That's the important.
Wizard of
Yeah,
Oz.
exactly. Not in Kansas anymore.
Clap along with your feet 3 times.
Yeah,
But,
so I think overall just good things,
Awesome, man. All the best with the what are we
Are the
calling
tickets
it?
out? Are the tickets out for
The
this?
tickets should be going on sale soon, and
beautiful.
I think it'll be great. And
Awesome.
Yeah, I would
Yeah, I'm
love
really
to be
looking
a part of it.
forward to-
Definitely, I mean, it'll
Yeah.
be there. We can anyway catch it on YouTube
Sure.
anytime.
And it's early 2015. It's coming out, right?
it's early 2015 is coming
Beautiful.
out. Yeah, and
Okay.
it's
I
I mean,
great.
Happy New Year, the best years
Yeah,
of
man.
our lives.
And I feel like
ahead.
eventually, like we'll really get to see. Like I feel like only good things are going to happen like for performances in India, and I think we'll get to see a lot of like global icons also. Like so many of my personal inspirations.
Yeah.
Like not just like in comedy. Like there's like I can't wait for Louis C.K. to come to India,
Oh.
and I can't wait for
He
like I
can't-
feel like Diddy will come to India.
Diddy, oh,
right?
man.
And I think like all these really inspiring performers. I
You
think
know Diddy
will
won't
be
stop,
here.
right? You know that he won't stop. Like whatever happens to
Yeah,
him,
no, he won't. There's
stop.
no way, dude. I mean,
Yeah.
the guy's just going strength to strength,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
100%.
Dude, what an entertaining guy that guy.
Yeah, right? Exactly.
Yeah, you know
It's
another
just-
entertaining
he's
guy.
so wholesome.
Yeah, yeah.
This is reality show star. He's a billionaire.
Yeah.
Donald Trump. I don't know if you heard
Oh,
of
yeah.
him.
Oh, yeah.
He does the show
Donald
The
Trump.
Apprentice. I
Yeah.
used to
Yeah,
love that
yeah.
show.
What a
Like,
great show, man.
I want to see more of that guy.
Yeah, I think
That's
he
all
should
I
be. His
want.
roast was so good.
Yeah.
He's just
He should definitely be in way more things.
He's a natural. I
He's a
think
natural leader.
Yeah,
he is.
He's
he
a
is.
leader.
he would do well with more responsibility. I
Yeah.
think that
Yeah,
sure.
I think like
I'm sure he
like
can-
man, if I could make that guy like president.
Yeah, dude, come
Whoa.
on. Don't be ridiculous.
Yeah,
Fingers
fair, okay,
crossed.
fine.
Fingers
Sorry,
crossed,
sorry,
because
sorry,
I think
sorry.
you're like, I'm gonna say you're like 12 years too early with your thought, but we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah,
One man, a
who
man
knows?
can hope.
But when I watch Apprentice, like the one thing I like is that every time, like in the boardroom, there's like a conflict. He resolves it so fast.
He's a conflict solver.
He's a
And
conflict
he
solver,
just-
dude.
he doesn't
He's
talk
like
about
a
it at
future
all.
like Nobel Peace Prize recipient.
he doesn't
for
talk
sure.
about it.
Like,
Actually, he sometimes solves conflict so fast. I feel like maybe he's just saying he's saying he's
yeah,
solving
that
it.
good. He's
yeah,
that good.
he's
He
just
just
that-
says I solved it, and then we are like, but I mean,
like,
why
yeah,
would
I
he
guess.
lie?
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
man, dude, he's-
Seems like an upstanding
Yeah, he
gent.
seems like a
Yeah.
scholar and a gentleman.
Yeah.
100% through and through.
All the best. Okay, cool. See, we got it. Thank you. That was a good freewheeling we did pretty well. That was
Yeah.
a good one.
Exactly.
Rohan
job.
Joshi, thank you so much for joining us.
Guys, thank you so much for having me. What a fun time.
Yeah, this was
thank
great,
you.
man. A lot
Good
of
luck
fun.
editing this. We've done the opposite of the Bobby Deol method here. You're just not going to know where to cut and what to take.
In the thumbnail we're gonna have extra arms and everything. But this is gonna come out next week.
Yeah,
like
next
not
week.
this
Not
weekend,
this
but the
week,
week
next
after.
week.
Is there
Okay.
anything? Are you
Yes,
doing anything?
I am doing shows in Melbourne and in Sydney
Holy
on the
shit.
6th and the 7th of December.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So please come. If you are in Melbourne and Sydney, or if you have friends in either of those cities, please come. It will be great fun. And I am excited to see you. What shows do you guys have coming up?
Yeah, I'm on tour. I'm going to Delhi and I'm going to Hyderabad and Kolkata and a couple of other places which I'm not remembering, but I like just as much.
Yeah.
And you?
I'm on tour, same cities, different dates. Don't go for his show, go for my show.
Wow.
Come for my show.
Oh,
I'll
lovely,
be there.
lovely.
Yeah.
What a sweet guy.
Sweet plug, yeah. What a sweet
100%.
plug, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, same. I'm also on tour, December full. Please come for the shows.
Yeah.
And
And
see ya.
Thanks for having me, man. I can't
Hey,
wait
this
to
is
go home and
lovely,
watch
man.
Param Sundari. So highly
Double
recommended.
feature. Peace. Bye.
Bye-bye.